Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set of real numbers defined as R is the ordered pair AB where A less than or equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. R is a subset of the real numbers R cross R. So what is R? The set R is defined as A comma B where A is less than or equal to B square. We have to prove that this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Let us first check whether the function is reflexive. It is a set of real numbers, that is for every A belongs to R, A should be in R but it will not be in R. We take an example, let us take a fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by, let us take A as 1 by 2, fraction. So square the second term, so 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4, isn't it? It is greater than. So 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 4. Belong to R. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belong to R. So it is not reflexive. If it is not reflexive, take one counter example. Take one example and prove it. Now let us check whether it is symmetric. What is the condition for symmetric? If AB belongs to R, we have to check BA is BA belongs to R. Let us take another example. Suppose 1 comma 4 belongs to R. That means why 1 comma 4? 1 is less than or equal to 16. 1 is less than 16. So it belongs to R. Now is 4 1, does it belong to R? 4 1, 4, the second number you square it. No. The relation is A less than or equal to B square. So this is your second number. Square the second number. Is 4 is not less than or equal to 1. So 4 comma 1 does not belong to R. So AB belongs to R, BA is not in R. So therefore it is not symmetric. Is it transitive? For transitivity, let us take three numbers.
If 2 comma minus 3, for example I am taking 2 comma minus 3 and a number starting with minus 3. So minus 3 comma 1. So now we have to check whether 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So to check whether it is transitive, we have to check whether 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Now 2 comma minus 3 belongs to R because 2 is less than or equal to 9. When you square the second number, it is less than. Similarly, minus 3 comma 1 belongs to R because minus 3 is less than or equal to 1. Now we have to check whether 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So 2 is not less than 1. Just square the second number. So you get 1. So is 2 less than 1? No. So 2 comma 1 is not in R. So because 2 comma 1 is not in R, the relation is not transitive. 2 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 1 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not in R. So the relation R is not transitive.
So what do you conclude? So R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and not transitive. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Check whether the relation R defined in the set. So we'll name the set as A. A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now that is defined on relation R defined in the set. So it is defined in the set, that means R, the relation R is a subset of A cross A. Okay, it is a subset of A cross A. R is defined from A to A. So it is a subset of A cross A. Now what is R? We have to write R as what is given. The first element, first if you take A as 1, substitute A as 1 here, B is 2. So A 1 comma 2. Put A is 2, B is 3. 2, 3. Put A as 3. So 3, 4, then 4, 5 and 5, 6. If you put 6, you will get 7. 6 comma 7 is not an element of A cross A. 6 comma 7, the ordered pair, is not there in A cross A. So we cannot use 6. Now we have to check whether it is reflexive. Is this reflexive?
1 comma 1.
2 comma 2. All these should be there. 3 comma 3 up to 6 comma 6 should be there. Is not in R. Therefore, it is not reflexive. It is not reflexive. Is it symmetric? Is this symmetric? Now for every order 1 comma 2, every ordered pair, suppose if I take 1 comma 2, the reverse pair 2 comma 1 should be there. It is not there. So need not check for the other, because 1 comma 2 itself is not there. The reverse pair of 1 comma 2 is not there. So one example will be enough. So 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 1 is not in R. So R is not symmetric. Is it transitive? Now, what do you check for transitivity? So if you take 1 comma 2, just check whether you have an ordered pair starting with a 2. Yes, you have. So 2 comma 3 is there. If 2 comma 3, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, if they are present in R, then we have to check whether 1 comma 3 is also there. Is 1 comma 3 there? No. So it is not transitive. 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 belong to R, but 1 comma 3 does not belong to R. So it is not transitive. One comma 2 and 2 comma 3 belong to R, but 1 comma 3 does not belong to R. So it is not transitive.
So the relation R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Thank you.